right back. I think the problem is this unit next to it is on the same system, and this one is the one that does the where the control is, the ice bank control to turn them off. And looking at it, the sidebars is linked on the sump there, so I expect it's possibly gone off on the low pressure switch. Get some gauges on there and see. Well, we've got 60 psi in there, so it's unlikely to be off on the pressure switch. So they've had some power issues here recently, so I've checked the overloads and we've got power on this wire. I don't know if it will work with a volt stick on that one. There we go. Nothing on that one, which is the coil feed. Resetting for some reason. Oh, let's have a bit more of an investigate. Right, we've linked those out. Give it a turn on and see what happens. We've got our switch locked out. Always wary, if it's right next to where you're working, you could knock it back on again and set yourself a light. We haven't got an overloads, but we've got a complete starter, so we're going to change that for this Lavato. These are Italian. I didn't like them when we started using them, but actually I've changed my mind about them, and they seem to be quite nice quality. Anyway, we'll get on with this. Got our new contactor and overloads and our auxiliary contact fitted. That's to run the crankcase heater. We had to put brass bushes in here because the original plastic ones, there's not enough thread, so I had some longer brass bushes. So that's that. So we've got our 3 phases in at the top, 2, 3. I'm using that as a neutral terminal, we're not using the other side. Our main neutral in there. I've got one link down to here onto the coil. The neutral there goes off to the crankcase heater, and the other neutral up here goes off to the fan motor. That yellow wire is the start of the control circuit, where we've put it in there to get a permanent live, and that other red wire goes to here to feed the crankcase heater. Control circuit comes back to here. And on these overloads, they have a little copper wire sticking out here that actually lines up with our A2 connection, so you don't need to run a separate wire around. But that does mean you need to make A2 live and A1 neutral. It's generally A1's usually live and A2's usually neutral, but they work the same. So that would when you push that in it should stop. And we've got our 3 phases out the bottom, red, yellow and blue. It should fire up. That'd be the same as if it tripped. Still got to sort out that side glass. It's not lost any gas. It's not showing short on the side glass, on the liquid line side glass. So I think it's just been weeping, it's just damp rather than having lost a lot. We'll hopefully get out tomorrow or the next day, get that sorted. We're going to need some more oil. I think we might have to take the compressor off to get in there to be able to undo it, because it'll probably foul on that valve.